You're the first person answered right up, and you said like 85 bucks. I was like, yeah, come get it. That's it.
Ah, yeah, okay. No, I'm very straight. I know, I don't pay. This is my business. This is what I doing. I doing the key. I doing the duplicated the key. I doing the lost key. Everything about the.
That's good.
Yeah. And yeah. Ah, you can go.
I'm good. I only watch.
Ah, you can watch.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, my pleasure. My pleasure, my friend. No, this is the first time what I doing. No, you cannot believe it because sometimes the people close and don't take the key.